Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Yes, I'm up early getting this trade out to you. Um, I got some stuff I got to do today, so I'm about to go ahead and knock it on out. The market is looking bullish today. Portfolio at $54,281, up $355. Buying power $3,650.46. Um, the market could come back down. Usually the market be red on Fridays, especially on three day weekends. The market will be closed Labor Day, September 2nd on Monday. So don't be, you know, shocked if it be a sell off or something happen, but don't worry about it. It's about to dip. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, got any questions, leave it in the comments. I also do coaching calls. Just send me a comment or something, and we can schedule on that. Minimum 20 minutes, a dollar a minute. I'm not taxing hard. Just, I can give you a call or give you a face call, whichever way you like it, and you can grill me for 20 minutes, or if you need an hour and 60. We can arrange it around the weekends or whenever. Um, okay, we're gonna go buy our freedom back. Go give ourselves a raise. Um, show y'all some things that did trigger over the last 24/7. You can trade RYLD in Robinhood. You see right here, it say 24-hour market, because you can trade this stock for 24 hours in Robinhood. I cannot do that on Webull or any of my other portfolios, but you can do it on this one. This one went down last night drastically. It went down in the 15ish, and it triggered a bunch of shares I had, like at $15.89, $15.90, $16. I want to say $15.85. It went all the way down and triggered it, and then it shot right back up to $16.14. I mean, that thing was crazy, man. I ate dinner around about 10 o'clock, laid down for a late night nap, got back up around about 12 something, and all of my buy orders was triggered. So that triggered set your buy limits on this for that $16 and under. Do 16, do 15.90, 15.80. I do mine all the way down to $15, really down to $14.85. So whenever you're not watching and it triggered, especially if you trade in Robinhood, man, you can buy this on the 24-hour market. And right now I have 841.9 shares. We can say 842 at 18.20. I want to get me 1,000 shares, and I'm a dollar cost average on in it. If it get down to about $15, I might just buy them 100 and something shares just to get at it. But it's gonna be a long-term hold. It's gonna be my cash flow, like one of my real estate my projects. All right, RYLD. The other one came down, ORC. Not Oracle, ORC, Orchid Island. In my Webull portfolio, I had some buy orders in at $8.04. It did trigger it. I only had 10 shares or something like. It did trigger it though. I sold those shares just now at $8.18, made 14 cents a share, quick swing trade, and I put another buy order in at 8.04 for 50 shares. I need to lower my average cost in that. My average cost right now is like $9.33. I need to get that at least at $8.50. But I can do unlimited trades in that one. This stock does pay 12 cents a share a month, 12 cents a share a month dividend. Also, RYLD for my new users, the stock I just showed. Showed you the average on down from 16 to 14.85. This pays a 16 a share a month dividend. Dividend yield about 12%, a little over 12% for RYLD. This one 18.84%. Not gonna find those kind of returns anywhere else. No bank gonna pay you them kind of returns. USOY is another one. I brought a share today at 16.77. This is a cover calls on oil, the options on oil. This is a way to have your hand in the game with oil, without earning it, not without owning it, but getting earnings from it, trading it. This does options on it. I got buy limit. It did trigger at 16.77, so I brought a share. I just dollar cost average down in it. I think this ETF is sort of new, only been out for like 90 days, and I want to see where it's footing going. So I'm just dollar cost averaging down in it. INTC, Intel, that's another one I'm buying and holding. It was up, up today, 8.15%. I've been giving y'all this play for the longest every day, telling you the dollar cost average on in it. I think Intel is a buy at 23 and under. The dollar cost average definitely at 21 and under. I buy some. See, I brought $100 today, the other day. I think right at a little under $21. I want to say I got it right here. That's my last order I brought. 1984, 1960. I brought $100 worth in my other portfolio, but it's a long term hold and play. You better accumulate now. They cut their dividend. It's got a market cap of 80 or 92 billion, 93 billion. So they do have cash to grow the company. Interest rates gonna go down. A lot of companies are going to get loans because the interest rates will be lower to grow their companies also. Another one we going with is PSEC, pays a 6 cent a share a month. I've been swing trading this in my Webull, but y'all know I buy 5 shares a day. Well, at least I lowered it to 3 shares a day to cash up just in case it does go on down. I'm gonna get 2 shares a day at $4.99. That'd be $10 a day in this. I was swing trading this in my Webull portfolio. Like I said, my Webull, you have unlimited trades. In Moomoo, you have unlimited trades too. But in my Webull, I've been buying this. I brought some at $4.99. No, $4.93. I bought 50 shares at $4.93, 50 at $4.99, and I just sold it at $5.05. So I made a couple cents on that, on the shares, but it all adds up at the end of the year. I put a buy order in after I sold them at $5.05 for $4.99 for another 50 shares. I got an average cost of PSEC in that portfolio, like 600 shares at an average cost of $5.33. I want to get that down to about $5. That's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna buy it and hold it in that one. And this stock here, you see I got 670 at $5.64. That's why I buy it. This one I'm holding for the long term. When this get back up to about $7 in the future, this one I'm gonna swing trade this one. But I probably just keep it for the dividend. But this pays a dividend of 6 cents a month. And we're gonna go with KLIP, Clip, China Crane shares, doing options on that. Put your buy orders in at $11.85 and $12. I think this will buy at $12.20 and under, but it's probably gonna pull back because it's after the ex-dividend date. You can also trade this 24 hours. I got one at $11.85, one at $12. So when this trigger, it's got a dividend payment coming, as you can see, of $38 or 38 cents a share. So I want to get my 100 shares in this one. I got to pay for, I should have 100 now. That's 98 shares, 104. I just buy it whenever it's that. I got 200 shares with 195 in my other portfolio, my Webull. I'm going to get 200 shares, buy another 5 shares with the dividends, and I'm going to let that rock out. I'm not going to buy any more shares. I'm going to just reinvest the dividend from there on out. And I'm only going to buy it at $12, from $11.80 to $12. If it's not there, I'm going to just cash up, get my money back for the investment. All right, let's still same old thing for the Horizon HRZN. I got buy orders in at $11, $10.97 and $11. I'm gonna put another one in at $11. I got one at $10.97. The days it went to $11.02 for a low. I'm gonna put a buy order in there. $11.02. I'm gonna buy a share there as long as it's in my buy range, because I want to cash up. I think this is a great price to get it at. for a long-term hold, pays a dividend 11 cents a month. Now let's get down trade and see what's going on in this market. Like I said, the market will be closed on Monday. Let's see what the market doing. Everything right now looking bullish, but that don't mean nothing. This is the opening bell. Like I said, I'm trading early today. I'm in the Dominican Republic, in Santo Domingo. I'm about to go to the zoo and go get some content on the zoo to upload to my YouTube channel. So I'm about to go check out that in a minute. That's why I'm trading early. But let's see what's going on in the market today. Should be a quick, easy trade. Let me see IP percentage change. There we go. All right. Hawaiian Electric, that's a long-term hold. They just got their settlement. Well, not the settlement. They just settled with the state of Hawaii. Got to pay them $4 billion in that lawsuit. So we're going to dollar cost average in this one. Get a quick $5 today. Bring down my average cost. It's going to be a long-term play. People have to pay their utility bills. That's not going anywhere. They just been getting dealt a bad deal for the last like two years, but I'm gonna ride it out with them. I got them in this Robinhood and my Weaver portfolio. SBSW is a precious metals mining company. Market cap 2.8 billion, 7.33% yield. It's another one that's gonna benefit from those interest rates. Take advantage of this $3.98 SBSW. It's gonna be a swing trade too. And once I get out of them, I probably won't buy it anymore. Cause those precious metal companies are real volatile when the recession and stuff hit. The way this economy is headed. With DEA, Nike down out of my buy range, Shoe Carnival coming on down. What's the PE ratio on Shoe Carnival anyway? PE ratio is 14.9, 52E high, 44.48. I'm gonna sell them at a 20 and above or above in the PE ratio. Arbor Realty down, but I know that's not in my buy range. KNOP, not share 691. Gonna let that stand still. I know I'm good. Golden Ocean, Starbucks, LCG. What is that? It was in buy range a while back. 1043. I'm not gonna bother it. I'm gonna get some ORC, put the buy order in on this one. Matter of fact, let me review my buy orders down. 814 for 5. 805 for 5. That should have triggered in my Weaver. So I'm good. I got some buy orders in place. 798 for 5. These are old buy orders. That's why I say you just set them and let the market do its thing. When you not watch it, when they hit that price, it's gonna automatically fill an order for you. That's ORC. USOI is pulling back. This cover calls options on crude oil. I like this at 73 and under. I love it at 70 and under, but I would never let it right now. Give me $5 worth to lower my average cost. If it come down some more today, I buy it. That's why I only got $5 worth. If it come down some more, I throw another 5 at it in increments of $5. Why do I buy this? It doesn't pay a high yield like USOY. USOY is new. It paid a dividend of 42 cents a share a month this month. And I'm just going to build it up and let it ride. I want to get my average calls around that $73 mark and see where I'm going to go with it. UAN was down. I did buy some of this the other day. This is a nice play. They do fertilizer. They pay their dividend out according to their revenue, which they pay quarterly. Dividend yield 13.38. Pay every quarter. I just got a payment on the 19th of $1.90 a share, $38.78. I just dollar cost average on the two of them. I don't load up. They do have a 52-week high of $88.94, so you have an upside of $20 a share. Excuse me. PE ratio 14.8. Market cap 732 million. Not at my billion, but once they get up to that 52-week high, they will be above that. APLY cover calls on Apple, Disney. What DISO at? It's cover calls on Disney doing options. 1582. Got buy orders in place. Not gonna bother. I mean, it's not coming down to my buy range. Gonna let the market do its thing. Trade the way it wants. And when it want to come down to me and put itself on the table, I will buy it. Sun's been going back up. This is a split off from I forgot what REIT. REIT is REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust. But 1423 it is at. I got to check the research here, 52-week high, but I'm gonna wait after the interest rates. When it goes up, I'm gonna sell it then and get rid of it. I gotta check the dividend yield. Right now it says nothing on here, but I need to check it out. But I'm really gonna sell it. Market cap 98.55. 52-week high 1485. But this gonna go up after the being that it's a REIT after the interest rate cuts. All right, man, that's everything I'm doing today. Ticker WBA, Walgreens still down. In buy range. Also, let me check out DG, Dollar General. They had 3 quarters of bad earnings. As you can see, this is at 85.94. I definitely will be dollar cost averaging down in this. 84.26 today. I got this in my Cash App portfolio. One thing I like about my Cash App portfolio, and I know all y'all have Cash App, you can buy a fractional share. You can do a buy limit on a fractional share. Even if it's like Dollar General, it's $86. You can buy $1 worth for at least $1. $1 higher, $1.03, $5, $1.50 worth. Say you want to set it at 84.26, you can set it on there. You can buy, say, $3 worth for $84.26 versus Robinhood or any other stock platform. You got to buy the whole share if you do a buy limit order, but you can do a fractional share on Robinhood. Anything else? That's about it, man. Y'all enjoy your day, enjoy y'all weekend. Y'all pop them fireworks, keep it safe, grill out, do your thing, be safe on that road for y'all that's traveling. And I will do some videos over the weekend. Like I said, I'm out here working, checking out the DR, man, looking for a second home, like I was saying. I got to go to Santiago, Dominican Republic next month. I'll be there checking it out, trying to see which city I like the most. My first time in Santo Domingo seemed cool. Comparing it from what I see now to San Jose. San Jose probably a little cleaner. I can say Dominican not bad, but they just the Costa Ricans, I can say, take care of their city a little better, shall I say, but we're gonna see, man. I ain't gonna go on a rant. Go and get your money.